Hello everyone. Okay, today we are going to do again the animals, okay? We are going to repeat the vocabulary with the chant. Then we will do the activity book and then we are going to draw a parrot. It's going to be a very fun activity. Let's start with the chant.
Listening 22. Let's dance and chant.
Everybody sing with me.
I got a parrot, parrot, parrot. I got a dog, dog, dog. I got a hamster, hamster, hamster. I got a cat, cat, cat. I got a bird, bird, bird. I got a rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. I got a fish, fish, fish. I got a turtle, turtle, turtle.
Okay, so now we are going to the activity book and we are going to do this worksheet, okay? Page 34. It's very easy. Here we have rabbit and we will have to trace. Repasem, we trace. Hamster, we trace, okay? When we finish, we will look at these pictures. What's this? It's number 3, bird. Okay, we write number 3 and here bird. We have the word here. Okay, this one, it's a cat. Let's look, where is the cat? It's here. Number 7. We put 7 and we write cat. Okay? When we finish this activity, we are going to do a thing that I think that you like a lot. We are going to draw a parrot. Okay, so please get a piece of paper and a marker, un full en blanc y un retolador negre. Okay? Are you ready? Esteu preparats? We are going to draw a parrot. Anem a seguir les instruccions. Ja veureu com us dic, un parrot super, super nice. Let's start.
We're first going to start with our parrot's eyes. We're going to draw a circle right in the middle of our paper, right about here. Draw a circle. Kind of a big circle. There you go. Good job. Okay, now on the inside, we're going to draw another circle like this. Then we're going to color it in, except I'm going to leave a little white on the inside of that pupil. You can color the whole thing in if you want. Did it. Good job. All right, now we're going to draw his beak. We're going to draw a little sideways V right next to his beak. I'll give you some points. Here, let's turn your hat around so our friends can see what you're drawing. There you go. Good job. You did it. Okay, now we're going to draw the beak. We're going to draw a hook. This off the top of the V right there. Good. And then we're going to flip it back. Okay, now let's connect the beak to his eye. We're going to draw a little line in between. Yes. Now we're going to draw the bottom part of his beak. So let's draw a little U shape. Go right. Yeah, good job. That's a good place to do it. Okay, then we're going to draw another U shape that comes from his eye over here and up and connects. So let's draw it right. Start right there. Connect it. Let's connect it right to there. Start there. Draw a big U shape. Connect it to the front of the beak. Yes. All right. Okay, now let's draw another U right here that connects to the top. to start right there. Curve over the top. Yep. Good. Over. All right, let's draw a little zigzag on the back of his head. And that's going to be for some feathers to come up to there and then back down. Up. All right, let's draw his first wing. We're going to draw a line out his body all the way out to here. Yeah, good job. Then we're going to curl back. That's going to be for his first wing. Down here. Body. All right, let's connect his wing at the bottom. So that's where it's connecting to his body. Good. Then we're going to draw a couple lines in here for his feathers. We've got 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. You could even put a couple more if you want. Are you having fun? Yeah. Good. Okay, now let's draw his belly. We're going to start right here at his mouth. We're going to draw a little round belly. Like that. We're going to start right there. Draw a little curve. Okay, now we're going to draw his toes. And they're tucked up in his body. So let's draw a W. We're going to draw kind of a curved W. We draw a curved W right there. Up, down, back up. Good. And then we're going to curve and connect the top of the W. And then we're going to connect the bottom of the W too. Good. Okay, right next to it, we're going to do the same thing. Another W. That's right next to it. Start right there. Another W. Down, up, down, back up. You did it. And we're going to connect the top of the W. So from there to there. Good. And then we're going to connect the bottom. Just like we did on the other one. There's his feet. Is that awesome? Yeah. Okay, now let's connect in between the W's. His body's in between. Good. And then we're going to draw a little line that comes out here from his toes. So just right to there. Okay, now we're going to draw his tail. We're going to draw 2 lines that come out. There's one there. Another one up here to there. Oh, good. Oh, you did it. You did your own little thing. I like it. We can connect from there to there now. Connect the bottom of his tail. I'm going to do the same thing. That. And then let's put a couple, 2 lines there in his tail. That's okay. We'll go through them. So we can draw a line to there. From those 2 points. Good. And then another one from those 2 points. Perfect. Good job. He's missing his other wing. Should we draw it? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna draw another wing that comes out over on this side from here out to there. Good. And then we're gonna curve back in like we did on this side. There. And to there. Good. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna add 3 lines on his wings. Just like we did right here. Good. We did it. All right, let's add a couple more details on his wings. So we're going to add 1 curve, 2 curves right there. So we're going to draw those little designs. It's almost like a rainbow on his wings. From there to that one. Good. And then one right next to it. Another one over here. Yes. Good. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Draw a little curve right to there. Good. And then another one right next to that one. half point. Yeah, you did it. Give me 5, man. Did you have fun? Yeah. Okay, now he's gonna look more like a parrot if we color him. Yeah. Should we get our colors picked out? Okay. We're gonna use light blue, dark blue, yellow, orange, red, and a gray. Yeah. You ready to start? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna fast forward our whole coloring part so that our art friends at the end can pause it and match what we did. Okay? Yeah. All right, let's do it right. Yeah. Austin, good job, man. Give me 5. Did you have fun coloring him? Yeah. He's really bright, isn't he? Yeah. I think parrots are one of the coolest birds.
Okay, I hope that your parrot is very, very nice. I hope to see it soon. Bye bye. See you.